Amazing strawberry cheesecake cinnamon rolls.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
Hello everyone, this one mixes up really quickly if you have a stand mixer. That's a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of warm milk, tablespoon of instant active dry yeast, 1 egg, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Blend that together and then start adding your flour. You're going to add in 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Just keep adding it a little bit at a time until you have it all in the bowl, and then blend it until it comes together and starts to pull away from the sides of the bowl, as you can see here. Then you can stop the mixer and you can bring your dough together so it forms a ball. Then you're going to cover this and let it rise until doubled. It takes about 1.5 hours to 2 hours depending on how warm your kitchen is. While it's rising, we can make the filling. The filling is 3/4 cup of seedless strawberry jam and 3/4 cup of finely chopped fresh strawberries. Then add in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and just stir it together. Now sprinkle your countertop with a little bit of flour. Take the dough that's risen, put it on the countertop, and then flatten it out. You want to flatten it out to about 1/4 inch in thickness, more or less, and try to form it into a rough rectangle shape. Then add the filling on top of the dough and spread it around, but try to leave a little bit of that edge of the dough without filling so that you have something to roll up and you won't have filling squeezing out all over the place. Then roll it up from the long end, and when you're rolling, be careful. Kind of lift and roll at the same time so that the filling doesn't squish out as you're rolling it. And then bring up the edge of the dough, and you're going to pinch the ends of the dough, and you're going to pinch along the top of it where the seam is so that it's nicely sealed in there. Then it's time to slice it. I recommend you make about 8 cinnamon rolls with this recipe. What I do is I use dental floss to do this. Slide the dental floss under the dough, cross it over and pull, and it slices it so very nicely. The filling is a little bit liquidy here. It did come out a little bit, but I kind of just scooped it up afterwards and put it back on top. And then they're going to go into a greased pan. This is a large baking dish, let's say 13 by 15 or something like that. It's been lightly greased. Put the cinnamon rolls in there, just leave a little bit of space in between them. Cover this with plastic wrap and then put it in a warm place to rise, and let them rise until they are doubled in size. Here they are, doubled in size. Takes a little bit less time. Second rising probably takes about 45 minutes or so. Put them in the oven and bake them at 350 degrees until they are this lovely shade of golden brown. Now, while your cinnamon rolls are cooling a little bit, you can make the glaze or the frosting. That's 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of butter, also at room temperature. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat those things together until it's nice and creamy. Then you'll beat in 1 1/4 cups of confectioner's sugar, also known as powdered sugar. Beat the sugar in. If it's a bit too thick and it's not blending well, you can add a little bit of milk at a time, just a few drops of milk at a time until you get the texture or the consistency that you like. Some people like their frosting a little bit runnier and some people like it a little bit thicker. So that's completely up to you. Now all you have to do is spread that frosting or that glaze on top of your cinnamon rolls. Best to do this when they're just a little bit warm out of the oven, and then serve them immediately. There are fewer things better in the world than a warm cinnamon bun just out of the oven. They are soft and fluffy. They do taste a little bit like cheesecake because it has cream cheese in the frosting and you have that strawberry flavor inside of the cinnamon roll. The cinnamon roll itself is very, very nice and tender and has a great strawberry flavor. And of course, the cream cheese frosting just pairs wonderfully with it. These are excellent. And if you love strawberry and you love cream cheese, give these a try. These strawberry cheesecake cinnamon rolls will be going on to my cinnamon roll playlist. I have a whole bunch of different flavors of cinnamon rolls. I have apple, I have lemon, I have birthday cake. I have a bunch of different ones you might want to take a look at. Check out my playlist, and thank you so much for watching.